Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-AKX14 stereo system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this stereo system is not responding for some reason or it's not working, and you're trying to troubleshoot it, like maybe the buttons are not responding or it just seems to be frozen or something like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if it's just in one fell swoop, you just want to delete any presets or anything like that off of it, all of the memory that's on it, to just clear it out. We can go ahead and do that really simply. All we need to do on this stereo is just, first of all, unplug it from the wall. Once you do that, you're going to wait for at least 3 minutes. And then once you've done that, then you're just going to come in and before you plug it in, you're going to press and hold the power button. And then while pressing and holding the power button, you're just going to go ahead and plug it back in. And just continue to hold that power button until you'll eventually see on this display up here, you'll just get a whole bunch of dashes, dash, 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 all the way across the display, at which point you can release the power button and the stereo has been reset. You can go ahead and set it up like a new device.